Hello and welcome to this short video which shows you how to set up a series of braided meetings. We're going to watch as Tina sets up a series of daily stand-up meetings for a project that she is leading. A braided meeting is the perfect format for a stand-up meeting series because everybody keeps the topic and the meeting will always finish on time. This is the configuration that Tina wants. There are 5 people in the team, including her. So she is setting up a meeting with 5 topics and 5 participants. The topic titles, effectively the agenda, will be the participants' names so that everybody gets a say. Each meeting will be short, as all good stand-up meetings should be, in this case just 10 minutes long. Because she's using Braided, she'll be able to ensure that everybody gets the chance to contribute and all relevant issues are raised. Tina's using 1 rotation of the carousel, which is what we suggest for stand-up meetings. In other use cases like project meetings or one-to-one meetings, she would choose 2 or more rotations. So let's watch a video of Tina setting up the meetings. She's logged into Braided and she has the option to set up a braided interview or a braided meeting. Depending on your license, you may only have the meeting option. She clicks it and comes to the meeting setup screen here. She starts by adding the details on the left-hand side. She's giving the session a title and she's setting the start date and time and the duration. She's going to select Monday morning at 8:40 for a 10-minute long meeting. The team already has a Monday meeting scheduled to start on a video call at 8:30, so the daily stand-up session on braiding is going to be a component of that meeting. She then opens the advanced options to add a description. This is optional, you could leave it blank. And you will see in a few seconds that she's going to select the option of 1 rotation of the carousel below. You'll also notice that autosave is active for everything Tina is doing, and you see a confirmation of saving appearing near the top right of the screen. Once she's completed that, she moves over to the right hand side and she adds participants and topics until she has 5 of each. As you saw, the default meeting has 3 participants and 4 topics. You can add more, as Tina did, or for a smaller session, you use the crosses to delete as you need to. Now, you saw on the left-hand side that as Tina changed the number of topics, the topic duration changed too. She's now starting to add the email addresses of her participants. And once she's done that for all her participants, she's going to move over to the topics and start to label the topics. As mentioned earlier, because this is a stand-up meeting, the topic titles, which become the agenda of the meeting, are the participants' names. Tina's also going to add instructions for each one to make sure everyone follows the correct stand-up agenda and approach. And those topic titles and descriptions will be visible within the meeting all of the time. So everybody always stays on topic, on agenda in a braided meeting. She's going to be adding the description as a copy and paste because it's the same for each particular topic. So we'll just pause a second while she does that. Now she's done that and had a quick check that she's happy with everything, she's going to click the button to send the invites to participants, and she's going to select to send a copy of the invite to herself. This means that she'll always have a copy in her inbox and she can very easily add it to her agenda, her own personal schedule. So now in the background, the system is creating the meeting and it's going to be sending invites to everyone. And you can see now it's done that and the invite email has gone green. She could now start this meeting, but of course it's not till Monday morning, so she doesn't need to start the meeting now. Instead, she comes back into her homepage and she's going to copy this meeting, duplicate it or clone it as we call it, so that she can create Tuesday's meeting and then Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays without having to put all the same details in again. So the only thing that she needs to change now for Tuesday's meeting is the start date and the start time. And once she's done that for Tuesday, everything else is the same. So she just clicks to send the invitations and she'll do the same process again. And you'll see the same feedback where the system will send the emails and then the buttons on the left will go green, allowing her to know that the meeting has been scheduled, and then she can go back to her home page and clone the Tuesday meeting to create the Wednesday session. So you can now see her doing exactly the same thing again, and she'll be doing this for Thursday and Friday. We obviously don't need to see all of that because it's exactly the same. So we'll move forwards. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you find braided meetings valuable.